I was tired of feeling stuck, self-doubt, imposter syndrome, fear of failure. Been there, lived that. No matter how much I tried to push forward, something was always in my way. Then I found the Coaching for Someone Who digital coaching program, a 13-module on-the-go coaching experience that finally gave me the breakthrough I was looking for. The Overcoming Fear and Self-Sabotage module helped me realize I was getting in my own way. The Public Speaking and Communication module taught me how to own every stage I step on. With the Business and Brand Growth module, I built a thriving personal brand. With the Work-Life Balance and Productivity module, I am able to achieve more while doing less. And the Emotional Intelligence and Leadership module helped me to build stronger relationships. Not sure where to start? Use the Coaching Module Finder. I wasn't even sure which module was right for me at first. But the Coaching Module Finder took the guesswork out of it, guiding me to exactly what I needed. No fluff, just real actionable coaching. If you're done playing small and ready for transformation, this is for you. Go to the link in the description to start your transformation today.